April shall be a month of restoration in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Everything that was taken from you from January all the way to April may be restored back to you. Whatever was taken, whatever was stolen, whatever slipped out of your hand, whatever opportunity may be restored back to you in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. So I have said it, so it is. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Talks with Lakeisha Williams. Make sure you like, you comment, and you share. And you click notification bell so you know when I'm coming on. And follow me on TikTok at Lashes by Favor. And follow me on IG, Talks with Lakeisha Williams. God bless you. May April be your month of restoration.